Welcome all the students of Standard 8. Our today's subject is mathematics. We have already started lesson number 6, that is factorization of algebraic expressions. In today's session, we are going to learn factors of a cube plus b cube and practice set 6.2. Now let us learn the formula to find out the factors of a cube plus b cube. Look here. A plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We already learned this formula. Now, if we take 3ab as common from the middle two terms, then we get a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b cube. And if we rearrange these terms, then we can write a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. Okay. Now again we interchange these two sides and write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to a plus b bracket cube. Okay. Now if we shift this 3ab into a plus b to the right hand side, then we get a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b bracket cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Now from these two terms we can take a plus b as common. Then a plus b bracket cube, we can write this term as a plus b into a plus b bracket square, and after that we take a plus b as common and write a plus b into bracket a plus b bracket square minus 3ab. Then by solving or expanding this bracket, we can write here a plus b in one bracket, in another bracket a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 3ab. Then 2ab and minus 3ab are similar terms, so we subtract 3ab from this 2ab and write a plus b into bracket a square minus ab plus b square, and therefore we get a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. This is the formula to find the factors of a cube plus b cube. Now we can solve some examples using this formula. Practice set 6.2. Question is factorize. Example number 1. X cube plus 64y cube. We have to factorize this. Now 64y cube can be written as 4y bracket cube. So we can write x cube plus 64y cube is equal to x cube plus 4y bracket cube. Then by using the formula of a cube plus b cube. What is that formula? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b in one bracket, in another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. So here second step we can write in first bracket x plus 4y, in second bracket x square minus x into 4y plus 4y bracket square, and is equal to, now simplify this bracket, we can write x plus 4y into x square minus 4xy plus 16y square. This is the answer. Then second example, 125p cube plus q cube. Now is equal to, we can write 125p cube is equal to 5p bracket cube plus q cube is equal to, in one bracket 5p plus q, in second bracket 5p bracket square minus 5p into q plus q square, that is square of the first term, product of the two terms and minus sign, and square of the second term. In this way you can write this second bracket and then simplify this second bracket. We get is equal to pi p plus q into bracket 25p square minus pi pq plus q square. Then third example, 125k cube plus 27m cube. Again, we can write 125k cube is equal to pi k bracket cube. Here there is a bracket cube plus 3m bracket cube. Now taking cube roots in first bracket, we can write pi k plus 3m. In second bracket, pi k bracket square, that is square of the first term, then minus sign, product of the two terms, that is 5k into 3m plus square of the second term, that is 3m bracket square, is equal to pi k plus 3m, 25k square minus 15km plus 9m square. This is the answer. Now example number 4. 2l cube plus 432m cube. Now here you can see that 2 and 432 are not complete cubes. We have to make them complete cubes. So taking 2 as common, we get l cube plus 216m cube is equal to 2 into bracket l plus 6m in another bracket l square minus l into 6m plus 6m bracket square is equal to 2 into bracket l plus 6m into another bracket l square minus 6lm plus 36m square. Okay, this is our answer. Now fifth example, 24a cube plus 81b cube. Here again we can take 3 as common and write 3 into 8a cube plus 27b cube is equal to 3 into 2a bracket cube plus 3b bracket cube. Here 8a cube and 27b cube are complete cubes. Now is equal to 3 into first bracket 2a plus 3b into another bracket, write 2a bracket square minus 2a into 3b plus 3b bracket square is equal to 3 into bracket 2a plus 3b into another bracket 4a square minus 6ab plus 9b square. Example number 6, y cube plus 1 upon y cube. Now these two terms are complete cubes. Y cube is the cube of y and 1 upon y cube is the cube of 1 upon y. So write in first bracket y plus 1 upon y. In another bracket, now square of the first term, this is the first term, its square is y square. Then take minus sign and product of these two terms, that is y into 1 upon y plus 1 upon y square is equal to y plus 1 upon y in another bracket y square minus 1 plus 1 upon y square. Then example number 7, a cube plus 8 upon a cube. Here again we can write 8 upon a cube as 2 upon a bracket cube. So we get a cube plus 2 upon a bracket cube is equal to a plus 2 upon a into another bracket a square minus a into 2 upon a plus 2 upon a bracket square is equal to a plus 2 upon a in another bracket a square minus 2 plus 4 upon a square. Then next example, 1 plus q cube upon 125 is equal to 1 cube plus q upon 5 bracket cube is equal to 1 plus q upon 5 in another bracket 1 square minus 1 into q upon 5 plus q upon 5 bracket square is equal to 1 plus q upon 5 in another bracket 1 square is equal to 1, 1 into q upon 5 is equal to q upon 5 and q upon 5 bracket square is equal to q square upon 25. This is our answer. Now homework. Solve all these examples in practice set 6.2 again in your notebook. And also you can solve the solved examples given before the practice set 6.2. Thank you.